Welcome to Still Moment Studio. My name's Paula. Thanks for joining me. As you can see from the thumbnail, this is going to be a fail video. You can see in front of me this is the drawing. I'm going to go ahead and time-lapse through the process here as I thought it was going so great. I'd use masking fluid on the flowers and the stems, and then it failed on me at the end, and I'll show you what happened. Here you can see I'm trying to take off the masking fluid marker, and this is the first indication I had that something had gone wrong. It would not come off. The masking fluid marker is beyond its expiration date according to the package, and I tried to use it one last time. Last painting I did, it was a little bit hard to come off, but not too bad, and I was able to get it off with a kneadable eraser. As you can see right here, it came off. Now it will not come off at all. It's that gray line right there, if you can see that. That is masking fluid permanently stuck to the paper in a gummy, sticky mess. And it will move around and kind of lump into sections, but it is not releasing. I'm not able to get my white paper back at all. It is permanently stuck. I've tried getting it off with a kneaded eraser. I've tried a hard pencil eraser, and it just slides over that gummy mess that it is, and it does not come off. I'm pushing pretty hard here, and it will kind of lump into a mass of just gunk. So it has permanently damaged the paper, in my opinion. That's not going to come off, and it's not going to be a clean painting anymore. So this painting is permanently damaged. So if you use these, they worked great when it was fresh out of the package. It was not beyond its expiration or its recommended use. But just if you start to notice it sticking on my last painting and I needed a kneaded eraser, I should have taken that as a clue. Don't do any more with it. Once you start to see that happening, it deteriorates significantly after that. So we're going to go ahead and call this as good as it gets, and it's going to go ahead and go in the trash bin as a learning experience for me. So hopefully you've enjoyed a failure as well as successes. I'm going to go ahead and get this restarted, and we'll see if we can't finish this painting in the way that it really deserves to be painted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll catch you next time, and I'll keep more videos coming out your way.